Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Realme C33. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, then press and hold and drag to top like this for add, and click back for saving your editing. Now when we add this button, start record, press to start record, and here we got record audio option. So first of all we got here the switcher that we can turn off or turn on our record audio option, and if we press on this option we can change, for example, device audio, microphone only, or device audio and microphone. So choose your option what you want and activate and start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.